This is the Banana Sprite Throw Up Challenge.
Okay, could you open my banana?
What we're going to do is eat a whole banana each, then chug a can of Sprite. It's supposed to make us throw up. Here we go.
Now let's see if this myth is true.
All right.
I think I'm gonna throw up right now.
I like bananas. I may not after this though.
Go make me puke of laughter. You're already done?
With the banana.
I'm still on banana.
Okay. Here comes the Sprite.
Are you about to throw up right now?
No, not yet.
You're making me throw up right now. Try not to look. Don't throw up on me.
I won't. I'm gonna throw up over the rail.
Almost done with my banana. Do you need to puke?
Nope, not yet. Gotta drink more Sprite. Start chugging. All right, Sprite's done. Let's see what happens.
To a Sprite, to a Sprite.
Throw up over this way. Don't throw up on the porch, throw up over the rail. See if I can shake this up a little bit, see if that helps.
I'll just jump up and down.
Oh. Shake it all out.
Yes, I just did puke.
Nothing yet.
Oh, I got my
How you feel?
That's terrible.
Terrible.
I think I'm going to throw up in my sleep.
No, hopefully you get it all out before then.
Hopefully I'm done. Puke out my nose.
It didn't work for me, man. Oh no.
It's like all of a sudden.
I'm Troy, that's Owen, and this concludes the Banana Sprite Challenge.
Do not committed.